Getting your hands dirty, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, getting your hands dirty. This expression is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help non-native speakers grasp the nuances of the English language. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples together. Stay tuned. The phrase, getting your hands dirty, is an idiomatic expression that doesn't necessarily involve soil, paint, or any physical dirt on one's hands. Instead, it's a metaphor that means to involve oneself in all aspects of a job or task, including the most menial or unpleasant parts. It implies a willingness to work hard and not just oversee or manage from a distance. This phrase can be used in both professional and casual contexts, highlighting dedication, involvement, and a hands-on approach. While the exact origin of getting your hands dirty is not pinpointed, it's rooted in the literal sense of working with one's hands in soil or craftsmanship, indicating hard labor and physical effort. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression to denote direct involvement in work, especially tasks that are challenging or not glamorous. You can use getting your hands dirty in various situations. For example, in a professional setting, when a manager helps their team with basic tasks during a project crunch, they are getting their hands dirty. In volunteering, if you're not just fundraising but also participating in on-ground activities, you're getting your hands dirty. In learning, when you move beyond theory to practical experiments or real-world applications, you're getting your hands dirty. Examples in sentences. The new chef isn't afraid of getting his hands dirty by working alongside his kitchen staff. I admire leaders who get their hands dirty and understand what their teams go through. If you want to truly understand programming, you need to get your hands dirty with coding projects. While getting your hands dirty is a common phrase in English, many cultures have similar expressions to convey the idea of direct involvement and hard work. It's interesting to note these variations and see how different cultures value hands-on experience and dedication. Understanding phrases like getting your hands dirty can enrich your English language skills and help you communicate more effectively. It's a powerful way to express commitment, involvement, and the willingness to tackle even the tough parts of a task. We hope this exploration helps you in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.